sun will destroy the Earth. And when it happens, nothing survives. But this has already begun. Right now, the sun feels stable. But inside, it's running out of fuel. And when that fuel is gone, gravity takes over. The sun begins to expand. And the inner planets disappear. Then it reaches Earth. Oceans don't dry. They boil. Life collapses. And then nothing. Earth becomes a dead world. At this point, Earth is already dead. Inside, a final ignition. The sun sheds its outer layers. Leaving behind a white dwarf. From destruction, new worlds are born. And somewhere, this is already happening. And it starts again.